Hi guys, welcome back to Why Buy, and today is Why Buy Dacor Induction Cooktops. So I want to do a quick demo for you guys. As you see, I have a small pan behind me just filled with water. I'm going to place it on my large burner. I'm going to turn that burner up to number 9, and by the time I am done this 1-minute video with you guys, we will be at a full boil. And that's the beauty of induction technology. Induction offers you a large cooktop with multiple flex zones that give you the power to do something as simple as a quick boil and all the way up to a full sear. We also have an LED screen here that has guided cooking modes inside of it that will give you instructions on recipes and tips to get the best use out of your cooktop. It's also Wi-Fi connected, so that if you have any problems with your cooktop, it can be directed right to Dacor themselves. I think that this is a fantastic addition to your home. It's sleek, it's precise, and it takes care of that time that you need. As you see right here, I'm going to show you guys, we are at a boil that quickly. So we think induction technology could be fantastic for your home. And if you'd like more information on this Dacor induction cooktop, please visit the link in the video description below.